225 species in genus Cerastium. My fascination with mouse-ear chickweed, Cerastium. As a lifelong admirer of the natural world, I, find myself drawn to the unassuming beauty of even the most common plants. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Cerastium, more affectionately known as mouse-ear chickweed. These delicate plants, with their small, white flowers and soft, hairy leaves, often go unnoticed, blending into the background of meadows and gardens. But upon closer inspection, their intricate details and resilience reveal a captivating charm. Understanding the Cerastium genus. Cerastium belongs to the Caryophyllaceae family, which also includes carnations and pinks. The genus boasts a diverse range of over 200 species distributed across the globe, though they are most prevalent in the northern temperate regions. Their common name, mouse-ear chickweed, stems from the shape and texture of their leaves, which are often covered in fine hairs, resembling the ears of a mouse. These plants are typically low-growing, forming mats or clumps of foliage. Their flowers, usually white but occasionally yellow, are small and delicate, with 5 petals that are often deeply notched, giving them a 10-petaled appearance. The flowers bloom from spring to summer, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Notable Cerastium species. While the genus encompasses a vast number of species, some stand out due to their unique characteristics or widespread distribution. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The appeal of Cerastium. My fascination with Cerastium stems from several factors. Firstly, their understated beauty challenges the notion that only large, showy flowers are worthy of admiration. The delicate details of their flowers and the soft texture of their leaves offer a subtle charm that rewards close observation. Secondly, their resilience and adaptability impress me. These plants can thrive in diverse environments, from alpine meadows to urban gardens. They tolerate a range of soil conditions and can even withstand drought. This hardiness speaks to their ability to persist in the face of challenges, a quality I find admirable. Finally, their ecological role intrigues me. While often considered weeds, Cerastium species play a vital role in their ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for insects, contribute to soil health, and even offer erosion control. Recognizing their ecological value encourages a deeper appreciation for their presence. Observing and learning. I find immense satisfaction in observing Cerastium in its natural habitat. Whether I'm exploring a mountain trail or simply strolling through a local park, I always keep an eye out for these unassuming plants. Examining their growth patterns, noticing the subtle variations between species, and witnessing their interactions with other organisms provides a constant source of learning and wonder. In my own garden, I've even embraced the presence of Cerastium fontanum, allowing it to grow in certain areas. While some may consider it a nuisance, I view it as an opportunity to observe its life cycle and appreciate its tenacity. A call to appreciation. In a world that often prioritizes the flashy and the dramatic, I believe there's value in appreciating the subtle beauty and resilience of plants like Cerastium. By taking the time to observe and understand these often overlooked members of the plant kingdom, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate interconnectedness of the natural world and the vital role that even the smallest organisms play. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the Cerastium growing in their surroundings. You might be surprised by the beauty and complexity you discover in these unassuming plants.